Open your Decaf wallet and from your home screen, go to Withdraw and select OTC Desk Services. Contact your account manager via the support channels. I suggest doing it on WhatsApp. Follow the steps to get to the OTC desk. Select the country where you want to off-ramp, and if you are already approved, you can start your transaction right away. If not, request verification of your personal information through the same channel first. Indicate the amount of USDC you wish to exchange. Review the exchange rate provided for the amount you want to off-ramp, and if you agree, simply accept the rate. The agent will give you instructions for you to send your USDC. Send the USDC by copying the provided address. Go back to your Decaf wallet, press Send, and select USDC on Solana. Paste the address, and finally, enter the amount. Now just hit Send. Press Share to share the transaction ID with the OTC chat. And the funds will be deposited in your registered bank account in the time indicated by the agent.